Hello my friends, this is Austrian Stacker with another mail call. Remember, even if there is a knife, it's not a knife call. I hope you're all doing very well and I hope you are safe and in good health. So, I got another letter from the US, and everybody who knows me knows that I love opening your letters and I love getting mail. So let's see what is in here. Wow, look at that, how beautiful. The stars and stripes. Look, actually, if you just take this small piece of your flag, it looks like our flag. So, yes. Yes. Let's start with this one. Austrian Stacker, thanks for the sticker trade. Hope that these make it to you safe and that I see you on the streams. Your friend Scrapping. Thank you very much, my friend. Unfortunately, I could not be on too many streams the last weeks and month because I'm so busy, because work is almost back to normal, and we moved to a new house, and yeah, but I definitely will as soon as we move there. But thank you very much. I truly appreciate the friendship and support, and also your great, look at this beautiful card. Thank you very much, Scrapping. I truly appreciate it. And now look at this. I got this beautiful sticker. This will go directly on my sticker wall. Scrapping, hoarding, tinkering, fun. By the way, check out his channel. He has a really great channel. And the second thing is, I first thought that this is a sticker, but actually this is a magnet. Look at this. Wow, this is my magnet number 2. Now I have one from Silver Gopher. And now I got the second one from SHTF. So, I hope my friend Dutch Silver Pirate sees this video. Sees this magnet in my video, because it's another magnet you don't have, my friend. So thank you very much, SHTF. Scrapping, thank you very much for the magnet and the sticker, and also for your friendship and support. I truly appreciate it. Thank you very much, my friend. This is Austrian Stacker with the second part of the mail call. I got mail from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This can just be mail from one awesome person. That's Pittsburgh Fractional Stacker, aka PiFS. If you don't already have him, please go over and check out his awesome channel. He has such a great channel, and he's a great guy, by the way. So, let's see what my friend sent to me. Wow, let's start with this one. Just a little note to say thank you so much. Wow, it's great. Thank you very much, my friend. I like it. What's that? Austrian Stacker, thank you for being a fan and wonderful friend and supporter. Happy belated birthday. Thank you very much. Yeah, I had birthday this month. Enjoy. Enjoy, number 2, as you deserve a late birthday gift. Your friend PiFS. Okay. Mule sauce. Alex Coasters, thank you very much. It's quite interesting. Yeah, we also have Sticker Mule here in Europe, but actually they produce and send the stickers from Italy, and we don't get this mule sauce. So let's see what else do we have here. Yeah, this is the Sticker Mule donkey, and Sticker Mule, and 2 of 10. Ah, now I got it. Enjoy number 2. Number 2 of 10. Sorry. Now I got it. Thank you very much, my friend. Look at these awesome stickers. They will look great on my new sticker wall. I can't wait to move to the new house because there I will have a new sticker wall and I will put all these amazing stickers on my new sticker wall. Have a look at that. I've never been to Pittsburgh, but it looks like a city that's worth going there and doing some sightseeing. What is this there, my friend? This looks like a train, or... Awesome. Thank you so much, my friend. I truly appreciate your friendship and support. And thank you very much for the stickers. I hope you like mine as well. And we'll stay in touch. Thank you very much. So everybody, please take care about your families and yourselves, and stay safe and healthy. And see you next time. Servus.